Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the hide like option missing problem on the Instagram. So if you are facing this problem on your Instagram, simply go to your Play Store and search for the Instagram. Once you will search for the Instagram, you have to update your Instagram application and try to use that option of the hide likes. So and if you still don't get that option, simply go to the storage and search for the apps and the notification, and here you have to search for the Instagram and click on the storage and the cache, and after that you have to clear storage from here and try to use that feature. And if still it's not there, maybe your account not give you this feature. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.